carry on.
Locations, people, we bring to you your cruiser right now. The best cruiser on the 7 seas.
Let's go.
That's right, you got your best performers out here on stage. Show us what you got, come on. You're gonna see a lot of them in this crew. That's right. Come on, ladies. Now, junior cruisers, you're out here for a good time. You're out here for a great time. We've got lounges reserved for each and every one of you. Exclusive activities, theme nights. Put your hands together for your youth. They're bringing the fun and bringing the moves. There you go. That's right. Carnival Conquest, a big round of applause for your entertainment team. And look at that, we're getting the party. I'm joined up here. We got thing 1, thing 2, cat in the hat, and now this next one's real easy. Everybody facing the here we go, go south. Here we go. Let me see it.
Y'all took it all up. There was no way it was gonna take off without it. Come on.
Here we go. All the shawty's in the club. Let me see it. Oh no, we are just getting started. If you're ready to have a good time, make some noise! Oh, great time. We got your fun squad out there, your team. To the right, come on. Looking good. Say